traveled a bit, and we are in Lynden, Washington at the Raspberry Festival, and they have a free car show. And there's a surprising number of cars here. I think there's over 100, which is more than I remember last time we were here. There's a pretty good variety of cars. A lot of 40s, 50s, and 60s cars, which I was excited to see that. And plenty of Mustangs, which is great, let me tell you. I even saw my favorite Mustang, the 1969 Mach 1. There's some oddballs here, which I really like the oddball cars. Don't give me the normal stuff. Don't give me 10 69 Camaros and 10, Chargers and give me the weird stuff. There are a few late model cars here, but there was a lot of muscle cars. And it's a bit windy, so I hope this isn't terrible to listen to. What else is there? There are a few trucks, some 70s trucks. I like the old Ford, the 70s Ford trucks. I've had a couple of them, really like those. And it was nice to see it was kind of nice to see how busy this place was, which unfortunately made it difficult to film, but there's a lot of people here. It was hard to get footage without getting people in it.